I want to make a sling bag. This is some Vectan 502 millimeters. This is camel leather. I lined it. I want it to be stiff. These two. This one is lined with something thicker because this is a shoulder strap. The gusset is not lined, but it will be reinforced with this piece. Now I will cut everything and I will make all the holes. I prepared the parts. They are painted with edge paint, and now I will glue the parts. You can stitch directly using the signs on the pattern. This will be a pocket. This is a front pocket, as you want. This one here. This is on the back of the bag. It has a utilitarian purpose and it will make the back stronger. This one will be bent like this, but I reinforce it. I want it to keep shape, so I reinforced it with this lining. Of course, you can use the pattern. I prefer to do like this. It's easier for me. Here I already glued it. It's again, you can use the pattern. I prefer to cut it big and then to trim the excess like this. Look how good it looks. This holds too. And so on, of course. I made almost all the holes. Now we will... Every zipper has lines clear on it, so you can use those lines to glue. You can also use double adhesive tape, but I prefer glue. I have glue. I always have glue near me. We glued the parts, and now, so I place it here. Okay, this part. Let's try to make it as parallel as we can, like this. I like to reinforce this part too, so I will use this rigid pigskin. It's thin and rigid. It is the most rigid part of the pigskin. Glue on it, let it dry, and again glue on this zipper. Okay. I will cut. First I want it to be straight, so let's make it straight. Remove this. Then a thin layer. I don't need a lot of reinforcement. This will be one. and this will be the second. And now I will glue it over the zipper from here to here. You see, like this. And like this. Not too close, not too far. Let's check if the zipper works. Okay, the zipper works. And now I will make the holes. You have the marks on the pattern. I work freehand. I will make this distance and this distance. And I will make the holes without making measurements. I don't need them. Let's see. You see? This hole goes through the reinforcement and everything is rigid. I need it to be rigid. I will make all the holes, then I will go and stitch all the stitching. This. I will also stitch this and this. And I will also stitch this one. And we will see each other when I stitch the gusset on the face and back of the bag. As I told you, I will come with everything stitched. I stitched this, pockets, zipper, this element already stitched. I placed the D-rings, so we have them here. And now I have to stitch the gusset. So I have a sign on the pattern where to start. I will make the sign. This is the first hole that will be stitched. Before stitching, I will bend the edge of the gusset because it is the simplest possible stitching. Two or three steps are harder, the rest will be okay. As usual, I will try to help myself with my magnetic pony stitch. Okay. The funny thing is that this stitching can be done with a stitching machine. With a good stitching machine, not with any stitching machine. And it goes like this. You see the D-ring is glued. This means that it will be stitched easier when I will close the object. I will stitch everything, and I will come when I will stitch the face and the D-rings. I stitched the back, I stitched a part of the face of the bag, and now I will show you how easy it is to stitch, because we have the gusset bent. I will reinforce 2 steps because I want to make a very small knot. Now this is this. We can easily work inside. I will paint the edges, but first I will stitch everything. Now let's stitch the D-rings. Okay. Here is a lot of thickness. Let's match the holes. Okay, I matched the holes. No, not this one, this one. Okay. Reinforce this step. It's easier to help to use that tool. And now 2 back steps. I don't like to make the knot on the last hole, you see? The last hole is free. It looks really good. And I will stitch these 2, and then I will show you the rest. I made the edges. I will spread another layer of edge paint, but first I will show you how to deal with the Sam Browne studs. I made a little space here, so it won't be very easy to place the strap, but of course it is doable. First I will enlarge it a little, then I will force it here, then I will bend. You see, I will bend this. I won't use the Sam Browne stud yet. And now I will match the Sam Browne with the hole, and I'll do it like this. And I will use these devices to close the this is it. What can we put inside? Let's try a big box, a big metal box. Oh, look how good it looks. I really like it. I like it very much. It is a very nice. Okay, here we have a pocket for quick access. This is a bigger pocket. We can place something bigger here. And this is the main compartment, like this. Extract the toolbox. Ready. I made this strap curved. It stays very good on the shoulder.